Welcome, we will be doing a review of the Samsung Galaxy A04s phone. Let's start with the specifications. It comes with a camera, triple rear, 50+2+2 megapixel. Front 5 megapixel. Processor, octa-core Exynos 858 nanometers technology. Screen, 6.5 inches with HD resolution. As for space, it comes in 3 versions of the interior space: 32, 64 or 128 GB, 3 or 4 GB RAM. Operating system, Android 12. Battery, 5000 mAh. Samsung Galaxy A04s features: distinctive design similar to more expensive phones. USB port of the Type-C type. A large screen that supports the highest refresh rate of 90 Hz. Large battery that lasts for a long time during the day. The rear cameras provide performance compared to the price category in which the phone comes. Flaws: performance is average compared to competitors. The screen type is not the best and the resolution is only HD+. You will find that some basic accessories are not included in the phone box. The bottom screen edge is also still large and would have been better to work on it. It does not support a notification bulb. For a similar price you can get the better Samsung Galaxy A13. If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,